Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to move all your Google Photos to another Google account step by step. So step 1, on your browser, you can go to photos.google.com and log in to your Google account or your source account where you will getting the pictures. Step 2, click on the gear icon or your settings and then find sharing and then partner sharing. And then you can go and click Get Started or Next. Step 3. Enter the email of your second Google account which will you grant full access to. And then log into your second account, accept the partner invitation, and enable the copying of shared photos. Now, step 5. All new and fast photos will now appear in the second account under the photos shared with me. Step 6. If you want to permanently keep them, you can select the photos and click Save to your account. And now, you have successfully transferred your Google Photos to another account. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.